The Kamerar fluid motion slider is the perfect tool to use for filming shots in a panning or sliding manner. If you're a first-time user, it may look a little intimidating. Don't worry, it's very easy to use. For the slider, you will have a variety of pieces to work with, such as the counterweight, the handle, the Pro Video head flat base, your rubber cap from the Pro Video head, and of course, a camera. Probably the most important part of the slider, you'll need to put together your cranking mechanism. To do this, simply place the counterweight onto the stud. Once in place, all you need to do is screw in your handle piece. Okay, it's taking a bit longer than anticipated, so let's fast forward a bit. There we go. Firmly screwed in. Once it's screwed in, your cranking mechanism is complete. You'll be able to operate the slider by turning your handle in a stirring motion. Now that the slider is operational, we need to install our camera onto the Pro Video flat base. To do this, take out the rubber cap. This helps your ability to screw the camera onto the base. After doing so, keep your cap somewhere safe so you don't lose it. Instead of watching me screw on the camera for a painful amount of time, I'm just going to do this. Ta-da! It's magically screwed in and ready to go. Without further delays, let's move on to the next step. The last thing you need to do is screw the whole Pro Video head onto the base plate of the slider. Once you have screwed in the Pro head, it should look like this. Congratulations! You have successfully put together your first slider. Now, you'll be able to film cool shots like this for your project.